Welcome back to Cooking with Bobby Joe. Bobby Joe, your canine chef in training, here with another drool-worthy human treat. Today we're going to show you how to make your own tortilla chips. These are super easy to make and they are a healthier option than fried chips. All you need to make these chips is some flour tortillas, olive oil, and salt. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Take a pizza cutter and cut the tortilla into triangles. How many tortillas you need depends on how many chips you want. We're just using 3 8-inch tortillas. Once they're cut out into triangles, you want to brush each side of the triangle with olive oil, place on a baking sheet, and then sprinkle all of those with salt. Place in the oven and bake until golden brown. Keep an eye on them just to make sure you don't over bake them. These bake for about 10 minutes, but we could have probably taken them out at about 8 minutes, but they are still good. So Mom wanted some dip to go with her chips. She didn't have everything needed to make salsa, so she decided to go searching through the kitchen cabinets for ingredients to make some sort of dip. So here's what we came up with. 1 can of chili beans, 1 cup of cheddar cheese, 3 ounces of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. She also decided to use her hot plate to show even those that don't have a big stove that you can still cook at home. Set the heat on your hot plate to around medium-high. Pour your can of chili beans into a pot. Put them on the hot plate. Let them simmer. Once they start simmering, reduce the heat down to medium. Add in your chili powder, your garlic powder, your red pepper flakes. Let that simmer for about 4 minutes and then mash your beans. You can use whatever you have on hand to mash them. Then you want to add in your cream cheese, mix that until melted. Add in your cheddar cheese, mix that well. Reduce the heat down to low and stir to keep from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Let that simmer on low heat for about 2 more minutes and then it is ready to serve. Mom poured it into a glass storage dish and then dipped out a small amount so she could try it with her chips. This dip is super easy to make. If you don't have cream cheese, you can just leave it out. You'd be surprised what you have in your kitchen that can make some really good drool-worthy treats. So there you have it, super easy baked tortilla chips and cheesy bean dip. A great drool-worthy treat to enjoy any time of the year. We hope you enjoyed our video. If so, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Also, check out my Facebook page where we post updates on what's going on with me and how I'm doing with my surgery recovery. Until next time, stay safe, stay home, say your prayers, wash your hands. We'll get through this one recipe at a time. Have a blessed rest of your week. Bye for now.